A big update is coming in. It's about big disclosure about the terrorists that have been killed in Operation Mahadev. Sources have suggested that the module of these terrorists was to attack the Amarnath Yatra. They were planning a big attack. Security agencies, in fact, had already received inputs that the terrorists were hiding in the forests of Gandarbal. This is the same route through which the Amarnath Yatra passes. The operation started from July 5th, which involved the Army, Jammu and Kashmir Police, CRPF and BSF. The terrorists kept changing their hideouts, but the security forces kept tracking them successfully. Now, after 24 days of continuous search, late Sunday night, the security agencies got inputs from technical surveillance and human intelligence that the terrorists, in fact, were hiding in the Mahadev Hills near Mulnar village. The terrorists were surrounded in the mountains around 10 a.m. on Monday, but it is very clear from the huge amount of weapons and ammunition found that these terrorists, in fact, were planning to carry out a major attack. The operation is still going on. Intensive search is being done in the area. A big breaking news coming in at the top, in fact, of this segment. Big disclosure about the terrorists killed in Operation Mahadev. Sources have suggested us the module of these terrorists was planning to attack the Amarnath Yatra. A large amount of ammunition has been recovered from them that suggests that they were planning a major attack. Security agencies had already received inputs that the terrorists were hiding in the forests of Gandarbal. The same route through which Amarnath Yatra passes, solidifying the suggestion of them attacking the Amarnath Yatra further. The operation started back on July 5th in a joint operation by the Army, Jammu and Kashmir Police, CRPF and BSF. The terrorists, they tried changing their hideouts multiple times, but the security forces kept tracking them. After 24 days of continuous and heavy search, late on Sunday night, the security agencies got inputs from technical surveillance and human intelligence that the terrorists, in fact, were hiding in Mahadev Hills near Mulnar village. The terrorists were then surrounded in the mountains around 10 a.m. on Monday. What happened next? We all know. We have seen those visuals. But as of now, the big news is that their plan was to attack Amarnath Yatra. And it is very clear from the huge amount of weapons and ammunition which has been recovered from them that these terrorists were planning to carry out a massive and a major attack, and that too on Amarnath Yatra. My colleague Mehraj Ahmed is joining us on the broadcast. Mehraj, it's very clear we have been given to understand that a large amount of weaponry has been recovered from them, and their presence exactly at that location does suggest that they were planning an attack on Amarnath Yatra, and that too a massive one.
Well, Sakshi, this has been given a tip up by sources that the location where the three Syrian militants or terrorists, we can say, we are hiding is nearly close to the area which we can say that is the Kangan subdivision, and we can say that is her Ganivan area of Kangan, which anyone can reach by 2 or 3 hour track. And as per sources that there could be a possible planning of a terror attack on Amarnath Yatra, which sources are hinting towards. And we can say that elimination of such terrorists before that is a big success for security agencies. But so far, the identification has not been done. We can say that the Mahadev peak and the distance to Amarnath Yatra route is only 2 to 3 hour travel by track, and it is mountainous range. So we can say that it could be a big challenge for security agencies as agencies, we are already given hint by multiple security agencies that this year Amarnath Yatra security is a challenge, and that is why we can say that these peaks we are already getting sanitized earlier Yatra. But so far we can say that security forces got specific about the presence of these militants, and that is why yesterday's Operation Mahadev have been conducted by joint security forces, and we have seen that 3 terrorists have been killed, and so far the identification is yet to ascertain. Yeah, back to you.
Also, Mehraj, if you can give us a little bit detail about this particular route that we've been speaking about, and also their locations when they were neutralized.
Well, this Mahadev peak is normally used by trackers to track, and we can say that by...
I think we lost connection with Mehraj over there. We'll try to reconnect those lines and bring our viewers more details with regards to the route, with regards to the recovery that has been made from these terrorists, and also what do we know about their plan. What about the operation and the status at the moment? Because we've been given to understand that the operation is still going on. An intensive search is being done in the area. With a big disclosure about the terrorists killed in Operation Mahadev has been achieved here at News9. We are telling our viewers that these terrorists, in fact, reportedly were planning an attack on Amarnath Yatra, a massive one in nature. The security agencies had already received inputs that the terrorists were hiding in the forests of Gandarbal. This is the very same route through which the Amarnath Yatra passes, which again solidifies the claims of them planning an attack on Amarnath Yatra. The operation, which was launched by Army, Jammu and Kashmir Police, CRPF and BSF jointly, was launched back on July 5th. The terrorists kept changing their hideouts, but the security forces kept tracking them successfully. After 24 days of continuous and intensive search in the specific area, late Sunday night, the security agencies also got inputs from technical surveillance and human intelligence that the terrorists were hiding in the Mahadev Hills near Mulnar village. Another big breaking news just coming in for our viewers, those who have just joined us. We have been given to understand that terrorist Hashim Musa was Pahalgam attack mastermind. NIA has rushed to identify terrorists killed in Operation Mahadev. Remember, 3 terrorists were killed in Operation Mahadev. Terrorist Hashim Musa was the Pahalgam attacks mastermind. We'll keep tracking more and more details coming in from our NIA sources with regards to the identification of terrorists here at News9. But the big breakthrough in the case, the big update is that the reports are suggesting, the sources have suggested that they were planning a major attack on Amarnath Yatra.